And I got down here in this barn to see what's going on down here today. And well, since I've poked around in here, there's a old Toro snowblower. There's another old Craftsman. I don't have any idea if either one of them will run. Guess I should try that sometime. And over here I got a 48-inch snowblower that goes on my tractor. There's a snow blade right there. It's supposed to mount on a tractor. So I need to get ready for winter, I guess. Bunch of tools up there my father-in-law had. Some of them are good, some of them not so. Over here we got a lot of nails and hammers and all kinds of stuff. We got a roller for using a saw, stand there for drill press or whatever I want to use it for. This box here, I guess it's homemade. A lot of electrical stuff in it. In here, got all kinds of odds and ends. And it's, I like this drawer, it's got a lot of hardware in it. All kinds of stuff. Probably be hard to look through, but down here we've got some more stuff. A lot of it's probably outdated and not any good. So I haven't been through all this stuff over here because that shelf's been in the way the whole time. And in these boxes here we got all kinds of hardware. But I need to get to where this move that shelf around there. Behind this is a whole bunch of other stuff. Over here we got fittings, all kinds of stuff in here, plumb bobs, a bunch of fittings down there, a whole lot of stuff back here I need to go through. And then there's a wall of all kinds of hardware back there. Table saw back here. But I got enough cleaning up to do to keep me busy for a while. It's a nice barn, I just need to pay some attention to it and get it fixed up. Got a nice work table there. Another older one right there. Table saw back there. Don't know what's back there yet.